All right, imagine this. You're cleaning your room, and you've got socks, books, snacks, and chargers all over the place. Total chaos. So, what do? You organize. Socks in one drawer, books on the shelf, snacks in a secret box. That's literally what data structures do for your code. Organize the mess. A data structure is just a way to store and manage data so your program isn't out here panicking every time it needs something. Think of it like storage tools. Arrays? They're like numbered lockers. You know exactly where each item is. Stacks. Imagine a pile of plates in the kitchen. The last plate you put on top is the first one you take off. Queues? That's like standing in line at KFC. First come, first served. Trees? Think of a family tree with branches going out from one root. Each structure has its own purpose. You don't use a bookshelf to hold soup, right? Same thing with data. Now let's talk algorithms. They sound like scary tech stuff, but really, algorithms are just instructions. Imagine you want to make jollof rice. You've got steps. Fry the onions, add tomato paste, season it, drop the rice, pour in water, cover the pot, and wait. That's an algorithm, a step-by-step method to solve a problem. In programming, it might be sort this list of numbers, find this value inside an array, figure out the fastest route to campus. Boom. That's all algorithm. Now, why should you even care about data structures and algorithms? Well, here's the thing. If you've ever searched something on Google and got results in milliseconds, or watched Instagram show you posts based on what you like, or saw how Netflix recommends just the right show at midnight, that's DSA doing the work behind the scenes. Efficient data plus smart steps equals smooth tech. So yeah, data structures help organize the data. Algorithms help you actually do things with that data. Together, they're like brain and muscle, the logic and the action of smart coding. And in this series, we're breaking it all down. No complex jargon, no brain pain. Just chill. Relatable explanations that actually make sense. Next up, arrays, the real MVP of data structures. If this helped even a little, hit that subscribe button and stick around.